This is The Scoop for Thursday.
I'm Lisa Marzilli with the WMNF News headlines. The Tampa Police Department has terminated the employment of Assistant Chief Ruth Kate. According to WFLA, Kate was terminated March 20th for failing to meet the expectations required for the role. After informing her, officials say Kate requested the opportunity to retire and utilize accrued annual leave, which the department said was granted in recognition of her 29 years of service. In a statement yesterday, Kate said she was honored to have served the city, but cautioned that there was more to the story and could not comment further due to pending litigation. Police say Kate was given the opportunity to share her retirement with the staff on Monday, but she instead raised concerns alleging retaliation and indicated she had retained legal counsel. It's been a busy week for the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office as 3 of their own were arrested on domestic violence charges. The Sheriff's Office says Deputy Brian Giuliano was suspended after he got in a verbal and physical fight with a woman, threatening her with a gun. Giuliano, who has been with the Sheriff's Office since April of 2020, is facing multiple charges, including armed kidnapping, assault, and witness tampering. He's been suspended without pay pending the outcome of the investigation. Meanwhile, Deputy Dayton Thomas was arrested Tuesday in connection with a domestic violence incident in Pasco County, and a third Hillsborough County deputy, Ivan Heredia, also in Pasco County, was arrested Sunday on a domestic violence battery charge that resulted in sustained injuries and hospitalization of the victim. An environmental group says they intend to sue the National Marine Fisheries Service. WMNF's Chris Young reports the lawsuit comes after the agency denied protections to the American horseshoe crab.
According to a press release, the Center for Biological Diversity and 25 other organizations petitioned the National Marine Fisheries Services to protect American horseshoe crabs. But in February, the organization denied the protections, saying their petition, quote, does not present substantial scientific or commercial information to warrant action. Danny Waltz, the senior attorney for the Southeast program at the Center for Biological Diversity, says the crabs have been around for over 450 million years.
They've been very, I would just say, unique and amazing in their ability to survive pretty much everything until they've come across a species that is a massive threat to them, and that's us humans.
The animals, which serve as prey for other threatened species, are threatened by habitat loss and overharvesting for use in the biomedical industry. No plants or animals have been protected under the Endangered Species Act since Trump's second term. Chris Young, WMNF News.
An advocacy group held a workshop on felony rights restoration at Tampa's Cooley Law School. WMNF's Claudia Viviano reports it is part of a statewide effort to get students involved.
Earlier this month, the Florida Rights Restoration Coalition hosted the educational workshop. This is Lenora Easter, the Senior Counsel and Director of Legal Advocacy at the FRRC.
Before 2018, in Florida, if you were convicted of a felony, you had your rights, your civil rights taken from you. And that meant regardless of age. So if you were young but tried as an adult, and so there was no path to get them restored.
That year, Florida passed Amendment 4, giving formerly convicted felons the opportunity to vote after finishing their sentence. Even then, they are still experiencing roadblocks.
There's also a financial part. So any fines and fees or restitution that was assessed at the time of sentencing, you are responsible for paying in order to have the completion of sentence taken care of under this statute. Something that sometimes folks don't have the ability to do.
The FRRC is hoping to create student chapters throughout universities across Florida to continue the effort. According to a study done by the Sentencing Project, about 900,000 Floridians cannot vote due to a felony conviction. You can find more information on WMNF.org. For WMNF News, I am Claudia Viviano.
It's going to be partly sunny and warm today with a high of 83 and a slight chance for an isolated afternoon shower. Lows tonight will be in the upper 60s and mostly sunny with a high of 84 on Friday. I'm Lisa Marzilli.
This is The Scoop, recorded at WMNF Tampa.